But as the Ice Age ended, temperatures rose, glaciers melted, and water began to evaporate. Over thousands of years, Bonneville shrank, leaving behind a salty remnant, the Great Salt Lake. A lake with no outlet, meaning every drop of water that enters stays, while minerals and salts are left behind. It's a world where almost nothing should survive, yet life thrives. Tiny creatures known as brine shrimp fill the lake, feeding millions of migratory birds each year. In summer, microorganisms called halophiles turn parts of the lake bright pink or deep red, painting surreal landscapes seen even from space.